Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this video, I'll tell you how to fix Safari not working on iPhone. You are trying to look something up online, but Safari won't work. No matter what you try, web pages won't load. In this video, I'll explain why Safari is not working on your iPhone and show you how to fix the problem for good. But first, subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos and hit the like button. So let's start the video without wasting any time. So the first step is close and reopen Safari. Closing and reopening an app can sometimes fix a minor crash or software bug. The app gets a fresh start when it's opened again. If your iPhone has a home button, double press it to open the app switcher. If your iPhone doesn't have a home button, swipe up from the bottom to the center of the screen. Hold your finger in the center of the screen until the app switcher opens. Then swipe Safari up and off the top of the screen. You will know Safari is closed when it is no longer appear in the app switcher. And the next step is clear Safari history and website data. To clear Safari history and website data, open the Settings app, scroll down, and then tap on Safari, scroll down, and then tap on Clear History and Website Data, and then tap on Clear History. Now reopen Safari after clearing its history and website data to see if it is working again or not. And the next step is restart your iPhone. If your iPhone doesn't have a home button, then press and quickly release the volume up button, and same with the down button, and press the power button and then slide to power off, and after some time press the power button until you see the Apple logo on your home screen and you are done. And the next step is update your iPhone. For this, open Settings, scroll down and then tap on General and then tap on Software Update. Wait until the page is loading. See if there is any update available, then download and install the latest version and you are done. And the next step is turn off Safari Suggestion. Several people have told us this solved the problem for them. Safari Suggestions analyze what you are typing into the search bar to offer a suggested result. For this, open Settings, scroll down and go to Safari app, tap on it, and then turn off the switch next to Safari Suggestion and you are done. I hope these solutions will fix your issue Safari not working on iPhone, and also let us know in the comments below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.